Owen developed a production-ready web-based solution to showcase the usefulness of dichotomous keys in educational settings. Dichotomous keys are used to group organisms or objects based on shared characteristics. Owen's solution allowed users to create custom keys or access existing ones, making it a valuable resource for both students and teachers. The solution's ability to integrate with other educational websites offers seamless connections to additional learning resources. This practical application not only supports current use, but also has opportunities for scaling up, including future plans to add diagrams for even greater clarity. Well done, Owen.